Are you getting the Saab 9.3 theft protection failure message in your Saab 9.3 NG, but getting no other apparent symptoms? The alarm isn't going off, the locking system appears to work okay, the door open message and the interior light work as they should? Saab WIS is clear about this issue, and the chances are it is your Saab 9.3 theft alarm siren that is faulty, and what you need is your Saab 9.3 theft alarm battery replacement. The siren has a backup battery inside, so it can continue to sound even if a thief gets under the bonnet and disconnects the main battery. So what I'm showing you today is the alarm siren location for Saab 9.3 NG, saloon, estate, aka sport wagon, and convertible models. For most owners, replacing the whole siren as a single unit is the repair that they will most likely carry out. It's easy peasy, 10 minutes. It is possible to open the siren and to replace the battery, but the original battery is no longer available. And because of that, in fact, new alarm sirens are also no longer available. In any case, there are other problems associated with these sirens, such as PCB corrosion inside, because these are not waterproof. I actually refurbished these units. I'll link you to those in the description. Click the More button below to open up the description. Enough waffle from me, let's get right to it. In the Saab 9.3 saloon, the siren is in the right hand side of the boot behind this trim here. Remove the clip that's in the trim up here, which in my car's already long since disappeared. Pull open the trim and the alarm siren will appear behind the trim. You may have to also remove a sound insulation panel, missing from mine. It's in much the same position in the Saab 9.3 estate, also known as sport wagon or just wagon. In the Saab 9.3 NG convertible, the theft alarm siren is on the left side of the boot, behind this trim here. Open the trim and you'll find the siren in there. Once you've found your siren location, your siren is fixed to a bracket, which in turn is screwed to the body panels. Before you dive into lashing out on a new siren or spending money on any diagnostics or parts, do check the fuse before you do anything else. And the fuse for the alarm on the saloon is fuse F24 in the rear electrical centre. Replace that first as a matter of course. To unplug the siren, there's a little tag on the connector. Press it in and lift the connector out. Probably find it's easier to undo this bracket from the body to remove the siren from the car, for which you will need a Torx T25 screwdriver or a T25 Torx bit on a ratchet handle. The screws for the bracket are situated in two little keyhole slots, so all you need to do is undo the screws, maybe 2 to 3 turns, lift up the siren on its bracket, pull the screws through the holes, and hey presto, you've got your siren. Go ahead and refurbish your siren yourself if you feel so inclined, or you can buy one from me. See the link down in the description. And once you've got your replacement siren, fitting it back in is the absolute reverse of taking it out in the first place. It really is. You only need the one tool, the T25 Torx screwdriver, and swapping it over takes 10 minutes, if that. Maybe in the future I will do a video showing you how to refurbish these, but at the moment I'm keeping that to myself. Obviously, I'm using the refurbishment of these as a little bit of a side business to earn myself some pocket money. If you got value from this video, give it a like down by the title. Maybe support the channel in some way. Buy a siren if you need one. Have a look at the list in the description of the various ways you can help the channel out, some of which are completely free, and I shall see you next time.